How to add TikTok link on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to get your TikTok username. So let's go ahead and do that. Open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon to go to your profile page. And under your profile picture, you will see your username. So click on it to copy it. And as you can see, the username has been copied. Once you do that, you need to go back and navigate to your Facebook profile page. And once you're here, you need to scroll down to the info section. From there, click on edit public details. And then you need to scroll all the way down till you find links. Click on add. And from social links, click on add social link. Then click on the platform drop down and click on TikTok. Then paste your username in this field. And once you do that, Facebook will recognize your TikTok account. So click on save at the top right to continue. And once you do that and go back to your profile page, you will see that Facebook has added your TikTok account in your info section, from which when people click on it, they will be redirected to your account on TikTok. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add a TikTok account on Facebook profile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.